you have anxiety, do not watch this. This cloud formation feels like the end of the world. And this geyser is a ticking time bomb. The anticipation is painful. But nothing triggers fear like this bridge. Don't look down. That splash was way too far down. But swimming inside this vortex is my nightmare. Thousands of eyes watching you. Would you be brave enough to dive here? This road is the ultimate test for your brakes. It winds down the mountain like a giant snake. It feels like it never ends. One mistake here and it's all over. This feels like a scene straight out of a fantasy movie. The way the birds follow the boat is pure magic. It looks like they are all connected to one brain.